Hey guys, today we're going to discuss the topic cryptographic techniques. Outline, some basic terminology, conventional encryption principle, characteristics of cryptographic techniques, symmetric encryption, classical symmetric encryption algorithm. Let us see some basic terminology. Plain text, it is the original message which can be in a readable form. Ciphertext, it is a coded message. Cipher, it is an algorithm for transforming the plain text into the ciphertext. Key, it is the information used in cipher which is known only to sender or receiver. Encipher or encrypt, it is the process of converting the plain text to ciphertext. Decipher or decrypt, it is the process of recovering the ciphertext from plain text. Cryptography, it is the study of encryption principles or methods. Cryptanalysis or code breaking, it is the study of principles or methods of deciphering the ciphertext without knowing key. Cryptology, it is a field of both cryptography and cryptanalysis. Conventional encryption principle, an encryption scheme has basically 5 ingredients, namely plain text, encryption algorithm, secret key, ciphertext, and decryption algorithm. The security depends upon the secrecy of the key, not the secrecy of the algorithm. Let us discuss the characteristics of cryptographic techniques. It can be classified along 3 independent dimensions, and the first and foremost dimension is the type of operations used for transforming the plain text into the ciphertext. The second one is the number of keys used. It may be a symmetric key or asymmetric. In case of symmetric key, a single key can be used for sharing the message between the sender and receiver. Whereas, in case of asymmetric key, 2 keys are used for sharing the message between the sender or receiver. They may be a private or public key. It is also termed as public key encryption. The third dimension is the way in which the plain text is processed. Symmetric encryption. The symmetric encryption, also called as conventional encryption or private key or single key. Here the sender and receiver share a common key, or the classical encryption algorithm are based upon this private key. It was only the time prior to the invention of public key in 1970s and by far most widely used. Symmetric cipher model. This diagram shows the conversion of plain text to ciphertext and cipher to plain text. At sender side, the plain text is fed into encryption algorithm, namely DES, with the help of secret key which is shared by the sender and receiver. The plain text is converted as ciphertext. At receiver side, the ciphertext is fed into decryption algorithm. It is nothing but the reverse of encryption algorithm. With the help of secret key, the ciphertext is transmitted as original plain text. Requirements. There are basically 2 requirements for secure use of symmetric encryption. The first one is strong encryption algorithm. Then the second one is a secret key which is known only to sender or receiver. Mathematically, it can be expressed as y equal to e subscript of k of x and x is d subscript k of y, where x is plain text, y is ciphertext, e is encryption algorithm, d is decryption algorithm, and k is key. So, in order to get the ciphertext, encryption of plain text with help of key, and in order to get the plain text, decryption of ciphertext with the help of key. Assume that encryption algorithm is known and it implies a secure channel in order to distribute a key. Classical substitution cipher. In this method, the letter of plain text are replaced by other letters or by numbers or any symbols. If the plain text is viewed as sequence of bits, then substitution involves to replacing the plain text bit patterns with the ciphertext bit patterns. Caesar cipher. It is the earliest known substitution cipher by Julius Caesar. It is first attest used in military affairs. In this technique, each letter can be replaced by third letter after. For example, the plain text is meet me after the Togo party can be replaced and the cipher text is displayed below. The operation can be done by transforming as the letter X is replaced as A, Y is replaced by B, Z is replaced by C, A is replaced by D, B is replaced by E, and so on up to W replaced by Z. So 3 letters after it can be moved. You can either use the number also. For number, A is replaced as 0, B is replaced as 1, C is replaced by 2, up to Z replaced by 25. So the mathematical expression is C equal to E of P and P equal to D of C, where C is ciphertext and P is plain text, E is encryption of plain text, D is decryption. So C equal to E of P, which implies plain text value plus K value mod 26, where 26 belongs to number of characters, and plain text equal to D of C, which implies ciphertext value minus K value, that is key value mod 26. Thank you all.